Ever wondered how to reveal the tiny, hidden worlds around you with your Canon EOS 2000d? Today, we're unlocking the secrets to stunning close-up photography, transforming ordinary objects into extraordinary works of art. First, set your camera to f mode Euro, that's aperture priority. This gives you control over depth of field, crucial for isolating your subject. Now, dial in a low f number, like f3.5 or f4.0. This creates that beautiful blurry background, making your subject pop. The trick to getting truly close is literally getting close. Your standard kit lens can surprisingly achieve great close-ups if you simply move in. Experiment with your distance until your camera can focus. You'll hear the focus confirm if autofocus is on, or see it sharpen if you're manually focusing. For intricate details, lighting is key. A simple LED ring light or even natural window light can dramatically enhance your shot. Look for interesting textures, patterns, and tiny details in everyday objects. A leaf, a coin, or even a piece of fruit can become a captivating subject. Patience is your best friend. Take multiple shots, varying your angle and distance slightly. You'll be amazed at the hidden beauty you uncover. Now go forth and explore the miniature marvels around you. Unleash your inner macro photographer and capture the extraordinary in the small things.